In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your birthday on TikTok. So of course, the first way is just to create a new account. And once you create that new account, under the birthday section, just tell them what your birthday is, real or fake. And then just follow the same people you were following again, and that's it. The second thing you can do is you can open up TikTok, go to profile, top right on the hamburger menu, settings and privacy, and you can scroll down until you see support. Click on help censure, and here you can select a lot of different things and topics, but it's much easier to open up your browser, type in TikTok support, click on share your feedback, and then enter your email address, username, topic, and how we can help, and just say I have inputted my wrong birthday, can you help me change it? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.